All right, in our section 3 mutation problems, we want to be able to diagnose mutations and then look at what type of mutation we would expect and see what its consequences are. So for one of those kinds of problems, I'm going to tell you that you're going to have a transition or a transversion at a particular place in a DNA sequence. And then I'm going to ask you what the new complementary base pair would be at that position after one round of replication. So with this as our example, we're going to say that we have a transition at position 7. Position 7. So we're always going to count from our 5' end. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have a transversion. And so a transversion means that cytosine is going to behave, cytosine, which is a pyrimidine, is going to behave as though it was a purine. So that could be adenine or guanine. And so I'm just going to change it because, right, this oxidative damage or some kind of mutagen has changed its behavior. So instead of behaving like a cytosine, it's going to behave like either like an adenine or a guanine, and we'll do both. So after one round of replication, that means that we've, this is a double helix, we've pulled it apart, copied it, and then if it was behaving like an adenine, it would now be paired to a thymine, and if it was behaving like a guanine, it would now be paired to a cytosine. So in Canvas, you could put either of those answers, and they would be correct. So make sure you practice this kind of problem with transitions and with transversions, but we want to know what the new complementary pair or base is going to be.